It's raining so much.
Yeah, but it's nice in here.
Look, that drop is racing.
It's winning.
First finish your homework, then you can enjoy the whole day.
We promise, Mama. Mama, are you making Maggie?
Yes, hot Maggie for my little ones.
Tom never learns. Jerry's too clever.
Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you, Mama.
It smells so yummy. I finished my math homework.
I'm done with English too.
The rain stopped.
You may go outside and play. Stay near the house.
The water is so cool. Let's jump together.
My dear children, I brought something sweet.
Daddy!
Candies! Thank you, Daddy. You always surprise us.
Tea tastes better on rainy evenings.
Yes, it feels peaceful. Let's eat together.
Family meals are special.